Morning, guys. We are down at the dam today. Going to do a little fishing. Got a few cat rods, and then I'm going to throw out a rod with shiners. See what we can catch there. A lot of white bass and hybrids biting down here right now, along with some walleye. I've caught a few channel cat, but yeah, let's see what we can catch. Let's get in the water here. Seem to be on already here. Yep. You got me down in something. You drug me down to some cover. Let's see if I can get him out. Got him. I think he came off though. Yeah. Yep. Well, that's a good sign. Yeah, I ain't been out 5 minutes. Just had a big hit on this. Pretty sure he took my shiner. Let's see. Yep. Ooh, all slimed up. That was a kitty. And I picked up someone else's hook. Looks like we're on here. Yep. It's the little guy. Alright, we're on here. Ooh. Now what we got? Hybrid. Ah! Popped off. Looked like a hybrid. Alright, we're on here. Oh, we're going to need the net for this one. Nice smallmouth. Oh, come here, buddy. Oh, he came off pretty easy. Nice smallmouth. Finally on after a couple hours here. Another smallmouth looks like. Yep. Alright, we got an ugly drum. Little ug. Quit. Nasty. We just got done down at the dam a couple days ago. Ended up with a few smallmouth. Who's that? Anyhow, I ended up with a few smallmouth. Small channel cat and a drum. We're gonna go out there some lures at the creek now, see if we can get a few smallmouth and maybe a couple trout. So I will see you at the first spot. Alright, we're at our first stop here. I'm going to use this little crawfish. I've had both smallmouth and trout hit it. And I have a little swim bait from 646 Tackle. Never thrown it before, so we're going to check it out. Oh, had one. Got my waders and a hoodie on today. First week in May, it's like 50 degrees out. Move upstream here. Yeah. Hello, ducks. Sorry to bother you. Oh, there we go. Got off. He ran at me and didn't keep the line tight. Ah, got him again. What the heck's going on here? Let's check my hooks. These hooks are so small, it's hard to keep up with them here. I guess we got a little school down there because that's the third one I've missed. There we go. I'll set this down, throw a swim bait. There's usually a couple smallmouth in this section. There we go. Going a little bit of drag. What do we got? That looks like a smallmouth. Yep. Nice little small. He came right out of that white water. All right. I was thinking that was a trout at first. Oop. Goodbye. There's a couple goldens in here too. I see them. He came right out of that white water. That was fun on this little pole. That's a good one. That was cool. Stay down, buddy. Yeah, he smashed that. That's a good fish. He's barely hooked. Just gonna bring him up here. Get a grip on him. Gotcha. That is a nice fish. Get my pliers out so there's no accidents this year. If you haven't seen my other videos with the Whopper Ploppers, you should check them out. That's a good smallmouth. Very good smallmouth. Beautiful. Let's get him on his way. There he goes. He came up and annihilated that plopper. That was cool. Well worth the stop here. Come on. Got it that time. Surprised he gave me a second chance. Easy, buddy. All right, little guy. Nonetheless, I was able to hook him second go around. I set way too early the first time. So pretty little red eye. All right, so we're gonna call her quits for the day. I've been out, for hours. I only wound up with a few fish, actually landed, but missed a ton of trout today. Missed a few smallmouth. But yeah, we're gonna call her a day. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. I know it's been a while since I posted anything. I want to try to keep up with everything. Fishing's been rough this year with the weather, and it's been a crazy spring. So I'll see you guys.